Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I will share with you mango thali recipe. It's a delicious summer special mango thali with raw mango and ripened mango. For preparing thali today I will make steamed rice, mango dal, mango chutney, amras also called mango juice, roti, papad. Firstly, I will prepare chutney recipe. For making chutney recipe, I took a raw mango, cut off the tip and bottom, peel off the skin. I have taken half of a small size mango. In a grinder jar, add some coconut pieces, 5 garlic cloves, 3 chopped green chili. Slice the mango into thin pieces. Now add handful of coriander leaves, few mint leaves, adjust salt, add some water and blend into smooth paste and then add a tablespoon curd. Grind once again. Our mango chutney is ready. Now I'll make mango dal. For making mango dal recipe, I took 5 tablespoon masoor dal and tur dal. Wash the dal and then add in boiling water. Reduce the heat, put a lid, don't cover fully. Remove the foam from the top of the dal. It is the root cause of uric acid and joint pain. After removing the foam of the dal, I will add some turmeric powder and salt. In the meantime, I'll prepare a small piece of mango. I'll cut the mango piece into thin slices. I have taken half of a medium size onion. Cut the onion into thin slices, then mix together onion with mango slice. Pour the mango and onion pieces into dal. Bring it to boil and cook until the mango and onion pieces are soft and well cooked. Now prepare the tadka. Turn on the heat, add a tawa, pour some cooking oil. After oil is hot, add some mustard and fenugreek seeds. Let's splatter the mustard seed, then add 3 dried red chili. Then add few curry leaves, saute for few seconds until it's fragrant. Now pour this hot tadka into dal. Stir well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes over high heat. Now I'll prepare amras recipe. For making amras, I took a big size ripened mango, cut off the tip and bottom and then cut into big slices with skin. No need to peel off the skin. Add a tablespoon sugar and mix well. You can mash the mango with your hands, but I like to use the potato masher. Now add full cup of chilled milk and quarter teaspoon cardamom seeds powder. Stir well and add half a glass water. Amras recipe should not be so thin or so thick. At last, remove the skin of the mango and then strain the mango juice in a mixing bowl. Yummy amras is ready. Traditionally, amras is served with wheat puri, but I like to make fulka roti, but it's your choice. You can make puri or roti. Make a soft dough of wheat flour by mixing water and salt. Take a ball and roll it in circular shape. Cook until you see some bubbles on the top side, then turn the other side. For making steamed rice, add the rice into boiling water. Cook until the rice is soft, then drain out the water. Lastly, I'll fry some papad. This recipe is incomplete without papad. Our thali is ready. Arrange some cucumber and mango pickle. This is homemade mango pickle. If you want this recipe, I will share the link in the description box. If you like this recipe and if you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.